The world has been under a spell of mass hypnosis since the terror attacks of 9/11, which has only been made deeper by the last 4 years of COVID. That's why I'll be offering a Saturday Zoom workshop, Wake Up from the Trance of Fear. Propaganda techniques pioneered by Sigmund Freud's nephew, Edward L. Bernays, also of Madison Avenue marketing fame, have been used since World War I to manipulate the populace into accepting policies that are not in their best interest. Fear is the best way to control people, and these days we're dealing with a whole spectrum, including personal, community, national, and global fears, such as fear of the next pandemic, fear of financial collapse, fear of cyber attack, fear of World War III, fear of global warming, and even fear of alien invasion. Now, in the workshop, we're going to be like Toto in The Wizard of Oz, pulling back the curtain on the wizards in the metaphorical Emerald City who've been deceiving us into complying with their globalist agenda. We'll use mind, body, spirit, self-healing techniques such as meditation, expressive writing, emotional freedom techniques or EFT tapping, self-hypnosis, and dreamwork to uninstall the fearful malware programs that we've been indoctrinated with, and to install new positive programs of health and hope and abundance. We will use resources including books such as The Psychology of Totalitarianism by Matthias Desmet, and The Indoctrinated Brain by Michael Nels. The goal is to immunize you to future propaganda campaigns. I look forward to waking up from the trance with you in the workshop. See you there.